Very cheerful good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start next chapter, that is chapter number 2, Programming Basics. In this chapter we are going to learn what is programming, how to write a program, which steps we have to follow before writing a program, and what are computer languages. So for the introduction part, as a human, we need some language to communicate. Similarly, computer also needs some language to communicate with us, and computer also needs some language to understand our work which we want the computer to perform. So your computer does not understand your language. You need to write it down in computer language, that is called computer language. It may be set of some words, symbols and codes, and that is used to write a computer program. In the computer program, we usually write down the steps to perform particular task. Introduction to programming. Now, what is programming? As I already told you, computer understand only one language, that is machine language. Computer cannot understand any other language. So for computer to understand our language, we have to write it down, program in the language that computer understand. That is called machine language, or there are different other languages which computer understand. Next is, what is program? Now, what is program? The set of instructions written in a language which a computer understand is called program. If you want to perform particular task, you have to write down the instructions or the steps in one particular manner in some particular language, that is called program. And the way or the procedure to write down the program is called programming. To write a program, we have to follow some step-by-step procedure to write accurate program and to get accurate result. That include 3 steps. First is creating an algorithm, second is flowchart, third one is program. Today we'll discuss only algorithm. What is the algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve any particular task. If we have some problem, or if we want a computer to perform particular task, then we have to write down that in some particular steps by following particular order to solve that program. Then we achieve the result that we want. For example, here they take a one real life example. If you want to buy a shirt, what is the first step? And all the 5 steps you have to follow in this order only. First step is take a money, go to garment shop in the market. Now this step cannot be come at 5th number. You cannot write it down on 5th number, take a money and then go to garment shop. This will not work. So you have to follow one particular order while writing the steps. Tell the shopkeeper which color and style of the t-shirt, choose and finalize, pay the money, take the balance from the shopkeeper, then finally you will get your desired result, or that is purchase of a new shirt. Here they give some more examples. First is if you want to add 2 numbers. Now here they specify the procedure how you write down the algorithm. When you want to write down the algorithm, always at the left side write down like this: step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. And at the beginning always you write it down start, and at the end you write it down stop, and in between you write the steps. Now how to add the two numbers: first start, second step, take two numbers. Let's take one example. Let's say two numbers 3 and 5. Third step, add the two numbers, means 3 plus 5, 8. Fourth step, print the result. What's the output? 8. So print the result means it will print 8, then afterwards stop. So this is how you can write down the algorithm. Next one is algorithm to find the greater number of the two. First start, take two numbers A and B, means let's take example: A is equals to 10, B is equals to 5. Compare these two numbers. How we compare? If A is greater than B, I'll take A as 10, B as 5. A is greater than B means 10 is greater than 5. Yes, it is true. Then go to step number 4, that is print A is greater and stop. Here only the algorithm will end. Now let's take another example. A is 5 and B is 10. Now 5 is greater than 10. This is false. So the else part will come. Else go to step number 6. This is step number 6. Print B is greater. Now these two steps will automatically skip as it directly go to step number 6. Then go to step number 5, that is stop. So this is how you write it down, the algorithm for comparing two numbers. Just try to understand all this algorithms, and I hope you understand it very well. Thank you.